All right, Monday morning. It's always brutal, especially after a couple inches of rain. So I have to move the compactor out of the way and then get another dozer. Try to make it so overloaded garbage trucks can get in and out. I've seen it worse though. This ain't too bad. Just never know till one comes through. Okay, they did it again. Parked over here on the toe, which makes it tough to get to the master switch. Ah, really? Oh man. Oh, that's pretty firm. All right, master switch on. Yay. Okay. Let's start to the day. All right, mud. All right, now Friday. It was a little low on coolant, so we brought some just in case. Ugh. Oh, it's got some. Sweet. Not gonna worry about it. Just get this baby out of the way. Oh, I'm not checking engine oil or anything like that. I just don't have time. Fire in the hole. Yay, started. Oh, okay. I'm gonna move this out of the way and get all set up. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the? Oh my gosh. Total fire. Okay. Now what? Oh, wow. That's nuts. Compactor totally caught fire. Oh man. What the heck? Dude, there's still fire in there. Oh my gosh. Dude, bring me your fire extinguisher. My compactor's on fire and I hit the button and it's still on fire. All right. Okay. When in doubt, don't panic. All right. Let's go here. There's fire right down in there. All right. I think I got it. But just set it here. We'll watch and wait for it. Dude, totally up in flames. I mean, right away too. I mean, I just moved it here. I was like, man, I don't have a backup camera. And I get out, I shut it down. And oh my gosh, there's flames coming out the back.
Yeah, you remember the other one caught on fire that other time? That one Saturday we were working.
Let me go look at this other.
Yeah, it looks like it's down. Hell, I don't have a fire extinguisher in that 71.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I looked in there.
Really?
Let's definitely out now. Yeah, don't breathe that shit.
I know.
We gonna fix that road.
Oh, what a Monday. All right. Oh, that was exciting, but not in a good way. At least I got my coffee out. Okay, now go sit in a dozer and make some phone calls. Oh. Oh boy. Well, that is something else. That is not good. Whew. That got my heart going. I don't have a fire extinguisher in here either. Okay, we'll come back here in a little bit. I gotta take 5 and collect my thoughts. Fire or no fire, the trucks are gonna keep coming. They don't care. They're getting in here, see if they can get out. I mean, it's just madness. So now we'll just deal with the trucks for now, and then I gotta go get another compactor, because obviously that one's done. So, it is what it is. I'll pick up later. Starts my Monday. Okay, I still see smoke coming out. Oh man. What is going on? Ah. God. I see smoke, but where's the fire? Right down there, I think. Okay, we're gonna hose it. What the heck? Not working. What? Dude! Is there another one in here? There it is. Okay. Let's hope this one works. Okay, I see smoke right down in there. Hopefully that got it. Can't believe that one doesn't work. Oh, I want some coffee. Another one back here, just in case. No. All right, let's see if that stops it. What a morning it's been. What else can go wrong today? What else can go wrong today? Well, it fired up. That's a good sign. Well, I jinxed myself when after one compactor catches on fire. It's like, what else can go wrong? Well, this one throwing codes. Emissions fault. Yeah. Oh boy. I got lights on the dash. Nice. And I'm nerfed. I can barely get out of my own tracks. Oh well. Such is life. Such is life. Well, anyway, it's back to the same old, same old. Well, that was my Monday on a Tuesday. I kept calling it Monday, but it was really, it's Tuesday today. Holiday on Monday. So, anyway. Alright, welcome to my world. Just a little insight, a little window. Things most people never see. Things I wish I'd never seen. Till next time.